Hey, what's up guys? Houston here. Look, if you're still having a challenging time joining Navy Federal, well, I found a few credit unions you really should look at because they have better products than Navy Federal and it's possibly easier to join the Navy Federal, okay? So, the first one we're going to talk about is DC Credit Union. That's not DCU, but it's DC, District of Columbia Credit Union, okay? Now, in order to join the District of Columbia Credit Union, here's the thing that they said. You may be eligible through your affiliation with a program, organization, or employer through the Bank of DC participants. So, what are the Bank of DC participants? The Bank of DC participants, as you can see here in their partners, you have Agriculture Federal Credit Union. I'm not going to even try to pronounce that one, but these are some of the associates. Because these are associates to Bank of DC, that would help you get into DC Credit Union. All right, that's how you would join. Now, why is this here credit union, to me, stands out more? Well, the thing about it, it's one of those credit unions that's a second chance credit union. And what that means is that say you've been in check system and you're trying to get a fresh start and everything, they offer you that second chance fresh start. But here's the interesting thing of why I say that this credit union is better than Navy Federal. So they offer a credit builder program, okay, which is shared secured personal loan or shared secured Visa card, right? That's a secured Visa personal loan. It's a second chance credit builder, credit rebuilder, okay? So it helps you, if you done messed up, to help rebuild your credit. Now, I want you all to pay attention to this because it's very important, and I talked about it in a previous video. The second chance credit builder process works like this. They issue you an unsecured loan or credit card with a limit up to $2,500, okay? They offer you coaching. You make your loan payments on time, okay? So they slowly step up your loan or credit card limit, growing your borrowing capacity along with your credit score, okay? Here's where it gets interesting. Once your score has gone above 550, that's all, 550, then you are a great candidate for traditional loans and financing. Just with a 550 credit score, you're able to apply for their regular loans and credit cards. So, what are the regular loans and credit cards? Let's take a look. The signature loan goes up to $15,000. But remember, again, like they said, you're able to become a candidate even with a 550 credit score to be able to borrow up to this amount, up to $15,000. Of course, they have the secured personal loan, but then they also have the personal line of credit up to $5,000. Now, I'm going to tell you guys this again. When you are applying for credit with any institution, do not go for the loan. Always go for the line of credit. The reason is because you can borrow against that line of credit, pay it down, and keep on borrowing without having another hard pull on your credit. All right. Now, a couple other things that they have that Navy Federal does not have. They have the relief loan. So with the relief loan, understand situations that happen, economic affairs, losing your job, and things of that nature. Okay, and you can borrow up to $3,000. No minimum credit score required. All right, no minimum credit score required on that. Then they also offer a payday advance. All right, so with the payday advance, again, emergency loans and stuff like that, they loan up to $1,000. They offer micro loans. That's right, they offer micro loans, all right? And member has to have existing business, tax filing, incorporation documents, and financial statements may be required for verification. If the loan is a business startup, member must submit a business plan. Look at the credit score, a 610 credit score. All you need is a 610 credit score in order to qualify for their micro loan and up to $50,000 up to 60-month term. Look, they even offer secured vehicle loans up to 84 months. That's why I say that this here credit union is so awesome. It's better than Navy Federal. Now, let's talk about the other credit union. The other credit union is Community Credit Union. Here you go. They offer second chance debit and checking. So they offer you second chance debit and checking. So again, if you've been in check systems and things of that nature, this is one of the credit unions. They're out of Florida, the Community Credit Union, and they're out of Florida. Okay, just make sure you understand that. So it's ccuflorida.org. They offer the first-time buyers program. So with the first-time buyers program, if you're just starting to rebuild your credit, they offer Visa credit cards as well as auto loans for first-time buyers. All right, first-time borrowers program. They allow you to skip a payment. So when you have loans, like certain loans and stuff, these are the ones they won't let you skip a payment on. Like a real estate loan with home equity, credit cards, consumer loans less than 6 months. So if it's over 6 months, you can skip a payment. Member solutions granted less than 6 months. Overdraft privilege loans as well as troubled debt reconstruction. But there are other loans they allow you. Now, there's one thing that I went past that I want to show you. Quick cash loans. Look at this. From $200 up to $2,000. No credit check. Okay. Navy Federal doesn't offer that. Okay. Then they offer payday loans from $1,000 up to $2,500. Okay. So that's what I mean when I know a lot of people get stuck on Navy Federal and trying to get in Navy Federal. There are credit unions out there better than Navy Federal that are willing to work with people to help them get access to funding. All right? That's the reason that I like. Let's see what their business offer. So they offer the business credit cards. This is the requirements. I'll tell you the requirements. Let's see if in terms of loans and lines of credit. So they offer commercial loans as well as lines of credit. So they offer SBA loans as well. All right. So now you guys see that you don't have to keep knocking at the door of Navy Federal, asking them, hey, can I join? How's the best way to join? There are other credit unions that offer better products than Navy Federal that you can become a part of. All right. Now, if you have any other questions about business credit funding, personal credit funding, click the link in the description. Schedule a one-on-one consultation. Thank you.